Get ready to explore the coolest compact rides of the future. In today's video, we're diving into 8 small cars of 2025 that pack big style, smart tech, and eco-friendly performance into pint-sized designs. From retro-inspired city cruisers to futuristic micro EVs, these little machines prove that great things really do come in small packages. Let's take a closer look at the innovations driving the next wave of urban mobility. City Transformer CT2 is a groundbreaking small car built for the modern city lifestyle, and its standout feature is the ability to change its width while driving. In city mode, it slims down to just 1 meter, letting you glide through tight traffic and fit into parking spots no bigger than a scooter, with speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. Need more stability? Switch to performance mode, where it expands to 1.3 meters and can hit 90 kilometers per hour, giving you a smooth, secure ride. Powered by a 15-kilowatt electric motor and a 15-kilowatt-hour LFP battery, the CT2 delivers a range of 120 to 180 kilometers on a single charge, even with the AC on. Designed as a 2-seater microcar, it's compact yet practical, making it perfect for crowded urban areas. With zero emissions, quick acceleration, and a smart space-saving design, the City Transformer CT2 is redefining how eco-friendly mobility looks in the city. Fiat Topolino Vilebrequin is a charming little electric car that perfectly blends retro style with modern beachside fun. Powered by a 6-kilowatt motor and a 5.5 kilowatt-hours battery, it offers up to 75 kilometers of range with a top speed limited to 45 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for short coastal drives and lively city streets. Its two-tone marine blue and white paintwork draws inspiration from striped beach umbrellas, while the soft folding roof works like a sun hat, giving passengers a breezy, open-air experience. Exclusive Vilebrequin branding, including the iconic turtle logo, adds a touch of French Riviera luxury to its playful design. What really sets it apart are the thoughtful details, like a rear-mounted carriage with beach towels, a personalized welcome kit, and even a built-in shower to rinse off sand after a swim. With its retro-chic aesthetic and unique accessories, the Topolino Vilebrequin isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle accessory made for carefree summer living. Wuling Baojun Yep EV is a compact electric SUV that combines rugged off-road styling with city-friendly practicality. Its boxy square body design, flared fenders, anti-scratch wheel arches, and roof rack give it a tough, adventure-ready look, while its small size makes it easy to maneuver and park in crowded urban areas. Under the hood, it packs a 50-kilowatt motor, delivering 68 horsepower and 140 newton-meters of torque, reaching a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Powered by a 28.1 kilowatt-hour LFP battery, the Yep delivers an impressive range of up to 303 kilometers on a single charge, making it a reliable option for daily commutes and weekend escapes. Inside, it's surprisingly modern, with seating for 4, an 8.8-inch LCD dashboard, and a 10.1-inch central touchscreen for navigation and controls. Safety is also a priority, with high-strength steel, energy-absorbing materials, 360-degree cameras, and automatic headlights. The Baojun Yep EV is a fun mix of quirky style, everyday usability, and electric efficiency. Honda N1 is a retro-modern city car that proves small can still be smart, stylish, and practical. Powered by a 47-kilowatt electric motor with 162 newton-meters of torque, it's paired with a slim 29.3 kilowatt-hour battery cleverly placed under the floor to maximize cabin space. On a full charge, it delivers up to 295 kilometers of range, making it a reliable daily companion for urban commutes. Thanks to 50-kilowatt DC fast charging, you can recharge to 80% in just 30 minutes, or top it up in 4.5 hours with standard charging. Its design keeps the classic, boxy charm of the N1, enhanced with EV-specific touches, like a smooth closed-off grille and signature circular headlights. Inside, the man maximum, machine minimum philosophy ensures a surprisingly roomy cabin, flexible seating, and plenty of modern tech. With Honda sensing driver assist features, one-pedal driving, and even V2L capability to power devices up to 1500 watts, the N1E is a clever, eco-friendly runabout that's as functional as it is fun. Wuling Air EV RHD and LHD is a compact electric car that shows how practicality and modern design can blend seamlessly in a city-friendly package. Available in both left-hand and right-hand drive, plus two-seater or four-seater versions, it's designed to fit a wide range of lifestyles. Depending on the variant, you can choose between a 17.3 kilowatt-hours battery for about 200 kilometers of range, or a larger 26.7 kilowatt-hours pack, delivering closer to 300 kilometers with top speeds around 100 kilometers per hour. Power options range from a 30 kilowatt motor to a punchier 50 kilowatt setup with 68 horsepower. Inside, the Air EV feels light and airy with its minimalist styling, available synthetic leather seats, and even a chic tamarind sunset theme on higher trims. Tech lovers will appreciate its dual-screen infotainment setup with up to a 10.25-inch display, Ling OS smart system, and app-based remote controls. Add in thoughtful touches like rear parking cameras and flexible interior layouts, and the Air EV becomes a stylish, efficient, and versatile choice for urban living. Moke Miami is a retro-inspired, open-air electric cruiser that brings a fun, carefree vibe to every ride. Designed as a street-legal low-speed vehicle, it reaches up to 25 miles per hour and offers a range of 40 to 75 miles depending on the battery type, with charging taking about 6 to 8 hours. Powered by a 15 kilowatt motor and a 12 kilowatt-hour battery, it's built for quiet, sustainable, and relaxed driving rather than speed. With seating for 4, hydraulic steering, and LED lighting, it's perfect for neighborhood adventures, beach trips, or sightseeing around town. The design is all about customization, letting you choose colors for the body, grille, roll bar, and bumper to make it uniquely yours. Inside, it keeps things simple but fun, with features like Bluetooth radio and a backup camera. Built in Sarasota, Florida, with mostly American parts, the Moke Miami feels more like a lifestyle accessory than just a vehicle, turning everyday drives into mini vacations. Wuling Binguo EV is a retro-styled electric city car that combines playful design with modern technology. Its rounded body, oval headlights, and dual-tone color options like pink and white or green and black give it a charming personality that stands out on urban streets. Underneath its stylish look, the Binguo packs a 50 kilowatt motor and a 31.9 kilowatt-hour lithium ferrophosphate battery, offering up to 333 kilometers of range or even 410 kilometers on higher trims, while reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. Inside, the cabin feels fresh and futuristic, with dual 10.25-inch digital screens, a floating island-style dashboard, and a unique rotary gear selector. Comfort touches like electric seat adjustment, USB ports, and a quality speaker system make everyday drives more enjoyable, while smart features let you monitor and manage the car remotely via a mobile app. With fast charging support and a smooth, quiet ride, the Wuling Binguo EV is all about blending retro charm with efficient, connected, and eco-friendly urban mobility. Fiat Topolino is a cheerful little electric quadricycle built to bring simplicity and style back to city travel. Powered by a 6 kilowatt motor and a compact 5.4 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers up to 75 kilometers of range with a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for short commutes, narrow streets, and neighborhoods with strict speed limits. Charging takes less than 4 hours, keeping it practical and hassle-free. The Topolino comes in two versions, a closed model and the open Dolce Vita, which adds a breezy, carefree feel inspired by Italian summers. Despite its size, it's big on personality, offering customization options like wood effect stickers, roof stripes, colorful accessories, storage bags, and even Bluetooth speakers to make it uniquely yours. Designed for younger drivers, families, or anyone wanting a fun, eco-friendly way to move around the city, the Topolino isn't just transportation. It's a playful lifestyle statement that captures the essence of urban freedom. And that wraps up our look at 8 small cars of 2025 that are redefining city travel with style, tech, and sustainability. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content on the coolest innovations shaping our future. Until next time, keep exploring smarter ways to ride.